Hello student, today I am going to explain you basic geometrical ideas, part 1 of this lesson. This lesson will be in two parts. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn point, a line and line segment, intersecting lines, then parallel lines, then ray, then polygon and angles. Is a geometry. Geometry is the branch of the mathematics which deals with the properties and relations with the lines, angles, surfaces and solids. Okay, now in mathematics there are two branches. One is algebra and another is geometry. Now the algebra deals with the numbers and geometry deals with the figures, points and lines, etc. Now we are going to learn each geometrical figure in detail. First one is a point. A point is usually represented by a small dot. Any dot on a paper marked is a point. Okay, by a sharp tip of a pencil, or you can draw with the tip of a compass or the pointed end of the needle. Okay, this way you can mark the point on a paper. Lines. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between the 2 points. If any 2 points are there and a line is drawn, okay, that is called as a line segment. Okay, two end points will be there. The line segments joining point A and B is denoted as AB. Now this is one example. There is a long distance to cover A and B. Okay, 1, 2, 3 distance are there, but in the middle there is a shortest distance, okay, to join A and B. Okay, that is called as a line segment. Shown here is the line segment. Now what is a line? Okay, line segment has two end points, but in a line there will be no end point. A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both the sides indefinitely. Okay, then it is denoted by AB or sometimes by the single small letter like L. Okay, here if a line segment is there and it is extended both the side, okay, arrow is shown, that means you can extend these lines, okay, in both the way. Okay, that is called as a line. Now what is the intersecting lines? Two distinct lines meeting at one point are called intersecting lines. Okay, now if the two lines are there and if they passes through each other, okay, there they are called as a intersecting lines. Both the lines passes through P. We say that line 1 and line 2 intersect at P. Okay, intersecting point marked as a P. Now what are the parallel lines? Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet each other. Okay, intersecting line, they meet each other, but here in the parallel lines they do not meet each other. Now what is a ray? A ray is a portion of the line. Okay, line you can extend both the side, but ray only you can extend at one side. It starts at a one point called a starting point and goes endlessly in a direction. See in the figure, A is the starting point and P is the mark on the way of the ray, and it is extended. Okay, 2 points are shown on the ray. They are A and B. A point on the path of the ray, we denoted it by the AP. Okay. Now here are some modes of the ray. Okay, beam of the light from the lighthouse. As you know, the ray starts at one point and they go endlessly in other direction. Second one is a ray of the light from the torch and sun rays. Okay, these are some examples of ray. Now we are going to learn the polygons. Now what are the polygon? Polygon is a simple closed curve made up of a line segment. If a figure is made of the line segment, that is called as a polygon. For example, if you take one triangle, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, line 1, okay, this is a line 2 and this is line Okay, this is made up of one polygon. Okay, made up of lines. Any two sides with a common end point is the adjacent side. Okay, this one and this one are the adjacent side, and the end point of the same side are adjacent vertices. Okay, and the meeting point of the pair of the side is called as a vertex. Now, okay, next one is angles. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point, or two rays OA and OB make angle AOB, or also called as a BOA. Now here two rays are shown, OA and OB. Okay, and they meet at a O, that is a vertex of the angle, and we call this angle as a AOB. Okay, the angles are made up of two rays. This you have to remember. Now here the meeting point of the pair of sides is called as a vertex. Now here meeting point is vertex, it is marked. Okay, that's all in this part. Thank you very much.